Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you an autumn intro effect. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, drag your footage to the timeline. Then go to titles and select the basic 6. Choose the Bayana regular font. Write your text. Go to advanced. Choose image fill. And find some image with autumn colors from Envato. Then select a shadow. Change the color to dark gray. Choose this one. Adjust the blur to 5 and the opacity to 60. Now adjust it in the black part of the footage. We're going to rotate it a little bit to adjust it right. Now click on it and go to Animations. Choose Down Deer Insert. Then by the end crop it. Now for the second part, choose Up Deer Insert. But we're going to use this animation as an ending animation. Delete the ending animation of the first part. Adjust the footage. Go to Effects and into the Cinematic section. Add this Cinematic Filters Pack Overlay 6 effect above and adjust it. That's it for this video guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.